actually got two suction feet, so when you put in there, it's not going to move. This is the toaster. The shelf is plastic. Here it got stop and defrost, and this is a little lever that you can put the bread in there. And here is a little tray you can remove the crumbles. And right here you can put a power cord around this one like organizer. The length of the power cord is a little bit over 3 feet, it's 39 inches long. Now I powered it on, so I think before the first time use, I just let it burn itself and put it to the highest heat and let any oil kind of thing like burn out. Yeah, you can see some smoke coming out because from the manufacturer, but not that much, just a little bit. There's no smoke now. My dial now goes to 7, means that it's the hottest. And I can see inside is right hot. And the shelf is cool. Perfect. Because it's pretty hot, so I'm planning to put it to dial it to 3 around the middle. And let's try. Alright, it's ready. Let's take a look. You see that it's a little bit hard on the surface, but still soft inside. Pretty good. And also I wonder that if bagel can put inside. Actually just barely put in there. Yeah, let's see that if we're good. I put it down to 4 and to see how it works out. But I think if you just toast smaller bagels, should be alright, but mine is super big. This is the second bread, and I can feel like the surface, you can still touch it, but a little bit hot. But this temperature for the plastic is alright. It's not too bad. Alright, so it doesn't like come up, but I will push the little lever, so you need to help it. Alright, now I push to 4. It's good. You see, the bagels looks great. Wow, nice. I think this is a very good choice if you wanted to make it look a little bit cuter in your kitchen. Also for the function, I think it's pretty good and super fast. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.